Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw a Sweatcoin to Kucoin wallet. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up our Sweat wallet. So if you're not aware yet, there's a Sweat wallet application that you could download from Google Play Store. Now in this case, go ahead and go to Google Play Store and download Sweat wallet. Now once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is open up Sweat wallet. Now, from the Sweat wallet homepage or in the login page here, you need to log in with Sweatcoin. So go ahead and click on the button that says log in with Sweatcoin. And from there, you need to do a few things like verifying your account. And basically, you'll just receive a code on your email and you just need to enter it for you to log in. But once you log in, the next thing you want to do is you need to click on approve login to continue. And from there, you should see the main home screen. Now from the main home screen, you should see an option that says transfer. Go ahead and click on it. And from there, click on the option that says send. Now once you click on it, you need to provide the address from your Kucoin wallet. Now in this case, make sure to get your wallet address first from Kucoin. So in this case, you could go ahead and use near if you're not sure yet. In this case, once you've got your address, go ahead and paste it in this section here, and from there, just hit on the continue button once you've entered the amount that you want to transfer. Now, if you want to transfer it all, just click on max and hit on continue. And finally, on the last page, you just need to swipe on the pink button that you see at the very bottom for you to proceed with the transaction. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.